Mhm. Hello everyone, welcome to Mann. I am Ranjan Kumar and today we are going to discuss some computer science related important and expected question for BL Probationary Engineer. So in this class we are going to complete some exam pattern based and previous year question based some question we are going to discuss in a details solution and explanation. Okay. For PDF and more updates, you can join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group is there. Here I am updating every class job update, PDF notes, everything I will share in this. Okay. And now you can download the Manmaker app. From there, you can access your study material. And one more thing, who are preparing for BL Probationary Engineer 2025, they have a separate WhatsApp group that you will get below in the description. Link is there. Just join there. There I am sharing every class which I am taking. Okay. And all these things all these links you will get in below description box only. Okay. And I hope you are preparing good with this app material and classes is going on already for probationary engineer. Okay. So we'll start from the question number 1. Which of the following sorting procedures is the slowest? Okay, so sorting. If we talk about sorting, the sorting is the process of arranging data in a specific order. Typically, it is decreasing order or increasing order. Okay, and if we talk about categorize, like if you do classification of sorting algorithm, so it will classified in a different factor, like it based on a method of sorting, based on memory uses, based on stability, based on complexity. Okay, so method of sorting, based on method of sorting means whether element are compared or sorted by other means. Okay, so this is what based on method of sorting. And based on memory uses, whether extra memory is required or not, so based on that some classification is there for sorting that will come under memory uses. Then if we talk about stability, it means the sorting algorithm is stable, means equal element return their original order, that will come under based on stability. And complexity is time taken for sorting based on their data sizes, that will come under based on complexity. Okay, now here it's they have asked about slowest. So slowest one is your bubble sort. Bubble sort algorithm is there, or sorting is there. That is the slowest sorting procedures in algorithm. Okay, if we talk about our quick sort, so quick sort is highly efficiently sorting algorithm and is based on partitioning of an array of data into a smaller arrays. That is your quick sort. Okay, if you talk about heap sort is a comparison based sorting technique based on a binary heap data structure. Then cell sort is an in place comparison sort. It can be seen as either in generalized or sorting. Okay, like that bubble sort is there. So by and what generalize of sorting by exchanging or sorting by insertion. Okay, like that bubble sort is there. So bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent element of swap them if they are in wrong order. So these are the some definition of this sorting. Okay, so you just need to remember from here, sorting procedure is the slowest one is your bubble sort. Okay, apart from that, you need to remember the classification of sorting. We have four kind of classification is there. Based on that we are categorize this algorithm sorting. Okay, and some definition you need to remember for your concept purpose, because in the exam question they may come from anywhere. Okay, now which sorting is stable with average time o n log n. Okay, which sorting is stable with average time o and log n. So sorting, if we talk about stable condition, so we have this kind of sorting in the algorithm. Okay, bubble sort, section sort, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort, heap sort, counting sort, and radix sort. Like this sorting is there in the algorithm. So in the exam, they will ask question. Sometime they will ask about average time. Sometime they will ask about base time. Sometime they will ask roast time and space time. Like that thing they will ask in the exam. And the condition, whether it is stable or unstable. Like in this question, if you see, they have asked about sorting in stable. So merge sort is also stable. Here you can see this is merge sort. So this is stable condition. Okay. And his average time is this one, O n log n. So from here you can say merge sort is your correct answer. Similarly, if you see quick sort also, quick sort have same average time and heap sort also same average time, but these are unstable in state. Okay, so that you need to see in the question whether they have asked about stable or unstable. Okay, so you need to remember this table for your future, or in the question they may ask anything like in bubble sort what is the roast time. They will give some option, you need to put this answer. So like that, this table is very much important for your exam. Question will, they will ask any kind of things like they will give some times, like they will tell the following time, the following average time is given O n square, then O n log n, O n plus k, and O d n plus k, and they will give a option this belongs to which kind of sorting algorithm. That time you need to give answer like that only. Okay, so this table is very much important. Most of the question asked in the previous also from this section. And BL have a this algorithm chapter. Algorithm is a favorite subject for BL for any kind of post. Okay, so you need to more focus in this thing. Basically in this table, you will get around 3 to 4 question in your exam. Okay, so just remember this table. Okay, now which topology provides a dedicated point-to-point link between pair of devices? Okay, if we talk about our network topology, so basically we have 6 type of topology is there in our network topology. That is, first one is your bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topology. Okay, so bus topology means what? Bus topology in that all devices are connected in a single central cable and data travel in both direction until it finds the destination. So this is called bus topology. Similarly, we have star topology. So in star topology, all devices are connected to a central hub or switch. Okay. Ring topology, in that device are connected in a circular loop and data travels in one direction or both direction. Okay. Sometimes they will ask question which topology have in which network topology data will travel in both directions. That time you need to give an answer ring topology. Then about mesh topology. So mesh topology, in that every device is connected to every other devices and it provided point to point link between every devices. Okay. Tree topology is a combination of star and bus topology, and hybrid topology is a combination of two or more topologies. Okay, so just remember these some points I displayed here, that you need to remember these points. From here also they are going to ask question. So here they have asked about point to point link between every pair of devices. So you can see here mesh topology provides point to point link between every devices. So from here option B is your right answer. Okay, like that you according means with this question you need to remember these things also. From here also, like I told, question like that which topology, in which topology data travels in both direction, you need to give answer ring topology. Okay, like that they will ask which topology is the combination of star and bus topology, so tree topology. Or tree topology is a combination of which of the following topologies, they will give some pair of options. From there you need to find star and bus and you need to give a tick mark. So like that you need to prepare things. Okay, don't think like if I am giving this question, only this question is important. Whatever I am telling, that is also important. So kindly note it down everything in your copy. Okay. Which OSI layer ensures error detection and flow control? So if we talk about our OSI model, so our OSI model, generally we have 7 type of OSI model. First one is your physical layer, then we have data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. So we have 7 kind of OSI model in network layer. Okay. So if we talk about our physical layer, so physical layers is deals with transmission of rows bits. Okay, over a physical medium. All right. Then data link layer is responsible for node to node communication. The network layer is responsible for delivering data packets from source to destination, and the transport layer ensures reliable and error-free delivery, error detection, flow control, and multiplexing of data. These are the function of transport layer. Okay. Session layer is responsible for establishing, maintaining, and terminating sessions. All right. Presentation layer is deals with data translation, encryption, and comprehension. Application layer provides network service directly to the application. Okay, so these are the function of these layers. So you need to remember this all function of this 7 layer. And here they have asked about which layer ensures error detection and flow control. So error detection and flow control with ensures by transport layer. So option A is your right answer. Okay, like that you need to remember the. And these are like these are the this is your okay, these are your what type of OSI model. Okay, now the recursion relation capturing the optimal execution time of the tower of Hanoi problem with indices is. So Hanoi problem, if we talk about the tower of Hanoi problem, so tower of Hanoi problem is a mathematical puzzle where we have three poles and Dixes. Okay. So a tower of Hanoi is a mathematical puzzle where we have three poles and this. Okay. And generally, mathematically, we will represent this thing using this formula, that is your T of n equal to 2T of n minus 1 plus 1. Okay. So this is belongs to your option number B, right? Sorry, option number D. Okay, so from option D is your right answer. All right. If an encoder has n number of output line, it can have dash number of input line. If we talk about our encoder, so encoder generally we have an encoder. If we talk about encoder, so it will be 2 to the power n and less than greater than n. So it has an output and it has 2 to the power n input. Like that, an encoder combination is there. Suppose if we talk about 3 into 8 encoder. Okay. Okay, if we talk about, sorry, 8 into 3 encoder. If we talk about our 8 into 3 encoder, so 8 into 3 encoder means what? In this we will get 8 input line. Okay, in this we have 8 input line, 0 1 2 3, like that it will go till 7. So 8 input line is there and it has 3 output line, 0 1 2, 3 output lines. So it will call 3 8 into 3 and coder. Okay, or the combination is, you can write, see, 8 into 3 is there. So as I told, this is a formula like 2 to the power n greater than equal to n. So here this is your input side and this is your output side. So n is here 3 and greater than equal to 2 to the power 3, that is equal to 8. So like this the formula is, so it belongs to option D. If an encoder has n number of output line, it can have 2 to the power n. Okay, 2 to the power n input line. All right, input line, and this is your output line. Okay, this is for encoder. All right. Okay, just remember this thing. In JK flip-flop, which combination will toggle with output? So JK flip-flop, if you see the truth table, truth table of JK flip-flop. Okay, if we talk about truth table of JK flip-flop, then we have J, K and output, that is your K. Okay, I mean Q. So condition will be 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so 0 0 case, the output will be your Q only. Q, this we called last state. Okay, this we call last state or no change state. Okay, last state or no change. This condition in 0 0, we output will come last stage, and no change means we same thing we will call, either it will call no change or last state. Then 0 1, if 0 1 is there, output will be your 0, that we condition we called reset. And 1 0, it will come 1, so it will call set. And 1 1, in 1 1 we will get Q bar, that is your last stage, no sorry, last state bar it will come, or same thing we will call this thing as a toggle condition. So when input is both input is 1, means both input is high, in that case JK flip-flop in a toggle condition. Okay, toggle condition means this condition, option B is your right answer. Toggle condition generally this toggle condition we will call as a race around condition. Race around condition. Okay, so sometime in a exam they will ask which flip-flop arises race around condition and which case. So you need to give answer JK flip-flop. In JK flip-flop, race around condition occur when J and K both are high. Okay, and to overcome this race around condition, we are using master slab JK flip-flop. Okay, we introduced, I mean, they introduced master slave JK flip-flop to overcome this problem, race around condition. Okay, so this all things you need to remember. Apart from that, we know the type of flip-flops. We have four kind of flip-flop. First one is your SR flip-flop. Okay, SR flip-flop, then JK flip-flop, then D flip-flop, and T flip-flop. Okay, just remember this thing also, type of flip-flop. Okay, so from here option B is your right answer. The first rule of the 12th rules, the first rule of the 12th rules for relational database given by EF code is what? So that EF code English scientist is there, they have they made 12th rule in a database for relational database management. So that 12 rule of relational data management, also known as codes 12 rules, were developed to define what is required from a database management system for it to be considered relational, that is your RDBMS. Okay, and these 12 rules are we have 12, I mean they have developed he has EF code is developed 12 rule, including it will start with zero rule, then rule 1, rule 2, like that. So zero rule is called as fundamental foundation rule, then rule 1 is called as information rule, rule 2 is called as guaranteed access rule, then rule 3 is a systematic treatment of null values. Rule 4 is the active online catalog based on the relational model, and Rule 5 is comprehensive data sublanguage rule. Rule 6 is your view updating rule. Rule 7 is high level insert, update and delete rule. 8 is your physical data independence rule, and rule 9 is your logical data independence rule. Rule 10 is your integrity independence rule, and rule 11 is distribution independence rule, and rule 12 is your non subversion rule. So these are the 12 rules. Okay, and it will start with rule 0. Okay, whenever this kind of question will come, people will tick mark with a, like here they have asked first rule, so they will think first rule is your foundation rule. So this is rule 0, not first rule. First rule is your information rule. So from here option D is your right answer. Okay, just keep it this thing mind. This is rule 0, not rule 1. Okay, rule 0 is your foundation rule and 1 is your information rule. Okay, similarly active online catalog is here, so it will come under rule 4. Guarantee access rule will come under rule 2, and systematic null value treatment, it will come under rule number 3. So like that you need to remember these all the rules. Okay, in a table has 5 tuples and 7 attributes, then what will be the degree and coordinately of the table? Okay, so if we talk about degree, okay, so if we talk about degree, so degree generally refer to column, columns of table. Okay, columns of table, and this column is called as the attribute, attributes. Okay, attributes. So here it's given how much, its attributes is given 7, so your degree is also 7. Similarly they have asked about cardinality, so this is also refer to row. Okay, rows of table. Okay, rows of table is called coordinately, and this rows is also called tuples, okay. So it is given here, tuples given 5, so your coordinately is 5. So from here you can say option A, degree is 7 and coordinately is your 5, so option A is your right answer. Okay, in SQL, dash is the aggregated function. So SQL aggregated function, in like aggregated function we have aggregated function return a single result row based on group of rows rather than single row. Okay, and aggregated function can appear in select list and in ordered by and having clauses. This is what aggregated function. So from this option only avg is there, which is related to aggregated function. Some more aggregated function we have, like count is there, avg is there, mean is there, and sum is there, who will return a single result row based. Okay, count will do, count return the number of rows written by the query. Average return average value of expression. Min return minimum value of expression, and sum return the sum of value of expression. Okay, so these are aggregated function. Just remember these are aggregated function in SQL. All right. So like this question, you have to practice more question. These are the level of your exam questions. Like that question you will get in your exam. So these all things you will get in this app material, which is available in your Android application, the Mann Maker. You need to download this thing, and you have to go for your computer classes, computer science section. So here you will get one ebook. In this ebook guide you have subject wise short notes and subject wise MCQ is there. After that 500 important technical question is there with their explanation, and mock test is there similarly. After that 150 important general aptitude MCQ is there with mock test and with detailed explanation, and you need to appear for full mock test series is there, around 5 mock test series is there that you need to complete. You will get previous year question, you need to check previous year question, by that you can check how much level of your question, what is the level of your exam, then interview question and answer you will get. And in YouTube already I discussed you before also, like in YouTube classes is going on, so you have to go in the channel the Mann Maker, and in the home section only if you go down here, then you will get one the BEL Probationary Engineer classes. So here branch wise classes is there, like this is electronics, this is electrical, this is computer science, and here general aptitude. Okay, general aptitude is also there. So these all things you need to complete if you are preparing for exam. Okay, you are from computer, so you need to follow this section. Here you will get your computer classes and general aptitude are here available. So you need to complete, like we will cover all the classes in this section only. I will upload one by one all things. So you need to complete this YouTube classes and app material. So if you complete all these things, so this time also you are going to select for probationary, as previously people have prepared like this with this material and they have got selected in BL Probationary Engineer in 2023 and 2025. So that's why if you are preparing for this exam, just complete this app material, whatever I gave you, that questions you need to complete, and in classes you have to attend all the things. This much is enough to crack this exam. Okay. So thank you for today. In the next class, we will do some subject wise, we will start question discussion. Okay, so that's all for today. If you like the video, just hit like on a button, kindly share with your friends, and if you not subscribed my channel till now, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.